Hello, folks. You ever come across a situation where you're putting your coil spring, your front coil spring back into your XJ? You had it out for whatever reason. You could have been replacing the springs, could have been putting a lift kit in there, putting new bump stops up inside your tube, inside the spring, so you had to take the coil out. And then you get everything back together, you're all pumped, you're finishing up. You go to stick your retainer clip back over the spring on top of the pedestal. You get your bolt in there, and then the bolt starts to spin, and it just keeps spinning and spinning and spinning some more. It's stripped. So thank God we found a solution, what tools you're gonna need. Let's get started. All right, folks, just a quick pointer. If you ever strip out your retainer clip on that perch for your coil, don't fret over that. Meaning when you go to put it back and it just keeps spinning and spinning and it's not locking down, I'm going to tell you how to remedy that. Get yourself I'll just tell you what it says. It's a 3/8 by 16 tap. 3/8 by 16, a 5/16 drill bit, get a cobalt, something nice, and then get yourself a grade 8 bolt. This one under the head is 1 inch. Then put yourself some blue Loctite on there and tighten it down by hand, not by an impact, and that will serve you well. I had to do it on both sides. This side I did earlier in the year. I don't know, I forget what I was doing, and the screw stripped on me, and it was at night, so I was frustrated. I couldn't do nothing about it till the next day. But that's the setup I got, and I was able, thank God, to remedy the other side that did the same thing. All right, folks, so them are the tools you would need to retap that and to put your bolt back in. Use blue Loctite, not red, in case you got to get it back out. And just hand tighten it with a ratchet and a socket. No over torquing on it and reefing on it. They do make kits out there. You can get a pair of new clips, and then they'll have like a hook on them. And then that second hole behind the main hole, the little hook on there is utilized to go into that secondary hole. And then you get like a new self-tapping bolt or something like that. Looks like it'd work pretty slick, but if you're in a pinch and you want to get your Jeep going, you want to finish up, and you just want to take a quick trip to the hardware store and get everything going, those are the sizes you're going to need, the size of the tap and the drill bit and the bolt. You're doing your oil changes and greasing your ball joints and your U-joints and all that stuff. That'd be a good time to recheck, make sure that bolt every once in a while is still tight and whatnot. Well, there you have it, folks. You can email us with questions, shoot us a comment, thumbs up, subscribe. I'll leave with Romans 10:9. Those that confess with their mouth that Jesus Christ is Lord and Savior and believe in their hearts that God has raised him from the dead, they shall be saved. And I do just that, folks. Jesus Christ is my Lord and Savior, and I do believe in my heart that God raised him from the dead. As always, folks, God bless. God bless America. God bless the Republic. Take care.